Hello my friends. You join me today as I clean fake blood out of a $2 tutu. Now why am I doing this, you may be asking? The answer, as with many things pertaining to Tate Fountain, is of course theatre. I thought as I did this I would just have a bit of a conversation with you guys about, choices to make and choosing what to study and where to go to study, and you've got a lot of decisions to make and you've got a lot on your plate, and just think some semi-wise advice might be helpful. Now, choosing what to study is one of those situations where really the ultimate decision maker should be you. You're the one who's going to have to spend years of your life dedicated to this thing, be it business or law or the fine arts or biomed or anything. So while other people's opinions are important and do matter, like your parents obviously want the best for you, etc, 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 the ultimate decision maker is you. And you don't want to be slaving away at something that may look good on a CV or be financially stable or whatever else if it doesn't light a fire in your belly, shall we say. Now, where things get difficult is knowing when to choose your passion and how to identify your passion. See, I am a born and bred performer. I love to act and sing and write plays and novels and whatever. I love being in front of a crowd. And for a while, for about 6 years, I toyed with that manifesting itself in pursuit of a drama school path. That was a real crossover with my own personal sort of academic aspirations, because I love to learn, I love to challenge myself, I love to do everything I can in pursuit of knowledge, but I also love to act. And so it came to the point, sort of year 13 drama, which while I enjoyed it, was also the bane of my existence and absolutely terrifying, despite the fact that I did well, and perhaps because of the fact that I did well. Ultimately, I made the decision that because Auckland has so much going on, and Auckland was where I wanted to be in regards to doing a law degree, doing an English degree, all of the academic things and the really niche courses that are offered here at Auckland, that was what appealed to me. And I could also do the acting on the side, even though the acting had always been the main goal, as well as the writing and all that. I had to make the decision that while I love to act, I didn't want to make the academic crossover into acting. I didn't want to be adhering to someone else's standards, as I had been so much during school and high school, when I could have just been performing because I loved it. That's why I loved production so much. That's why I did, 3 plays in 2 months in year 13. Ultimately, you have to follow your passions, but also look for challenges and ways to move forward, I think. That's what's really important. Like, you don't want to be stuck feeling like you're at a 3-day drama camp or band camp or whatever for 5 years maybe of your education. Do something that will be valuable with your time, and not just for the future, but also for your soul. Life is too short to do things you hate, and sometimes the road less travelled by is better. Do what you want to do, not what you think you need to do, because often the people who succeed are the ones who forge their own paths and don't follow the pack or what society thinks needs to be done in specific aspirations. If you're passionate about what you're doing, results will come. And that may take a while, but in terms of university, this is where the work begins, and this is where I get glitter all over my hands.